Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to see about the process complementary aspect-based opinion mining. Then comes the abstract of our process. Aspect-based opinion mining is finding elaborate opinions towards a subject such as a product or an event. With explosive growth of opinion text on the web, mining aspect level opinions has become a promising means for online public opinion analysis. So, in particular, the boom of various types of online media provides diverse yet complementary information, bringing unprecedented opportunities for cross-media aspect opinion mining. So, along this, we propose a camel, that is a cross collection auto-labeled Maxent LDA, a novel topic model for complementary aspect-based opinion mining across asymmetric collections. So Camel gains information complementary by modeling both common and specific aspects across collections, while keeping all the corresponding opinions for contrastive study. An auto-labeling scheme called AME is also proposed to help discriminate between aspect and opinion words without elaborative human labeling, which is for enhanced by adding word embedding based similar is as a new feature. Moreover, CamelGP, a non-parametric after native to Camel, is also proposed based on coupled processes. Extensive experiments on real-world multi-collection reviews data demonstrate the superiority of our methods to competitive baselines. This is particularly when the information shared by different collections becomes the seriously fragmented. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So this flow diagram shows our process diagrammatically, which we discussed in abstract. So here we are having the two levels. One is the aspect level, another one is the opinion level. So to find out the aspect level from the dataset, here we are using the news dataset. That is the a particular days news are collected as a document dataset. So here for finding out the aspect, we are using the document dataset by collecting particular news. So here we are using the news dataset. So then from the document dataset, we are going to find out the aspects by mining the aspects. So here when mining the aspects, there comes three processes. One is the stemming and finding out the word bank and the frequency. The stemming is nothing but removing the unwanted words from the documents and finally producing the valid words and collecting for each file. So we are having more number of documents, so we are collecting for each document and saving in the word bank as a whole set of words. So then from the words we are going to find out the frequency, how much the word was used in the document for the particular news. So from that frequency, so we are find out the very particular aspects which are used in our data set. So then comes the opinion level. So after finding out these results, we are going to the opinion level. So in opinion level, we are going to use the data set news tweets dataset. So we had collected the Twitter dataset based on the which news we used in the document dataset. So the news tweets dataset contains many tweets by different kinds of users. So based on that tweets, we are going to find out the opinion based on the words which we mined using the aspects. So the similarity between the aspects and the opinions are checked, and the final output was produced. Then comes the run procedure of our process, complementary aspect based opinion mining. So first we have to run home.java, right click and run file. So this is our home page for the complementary aspect based opinion mining. So click here. So here first we are going to find the aspect level. So we have to select the dataset for the document dataset. So the document dataset contains many files. So the file content will be viewed here. So then we have to stemming. So the stemming process was carrying down. Once it is finished, it will show the words here. So the stemming process was completed successfully. So these are the words taken from these files. So which we loaded. So these are the words from the files. So this is for the first file. So here the all words which we find out from the files are collected and saved as a set. So this is the count of the word bank. So here we are going to find out the term frequency. So the term frequency is to find out the frequency of the particular words in the files. So it is for the first file. So like that it will show for all files. So for some words the frequency level may high, or for the some words the frequency level may low. So based on that we are going to find out the valid frequency. Valid frequency, it shows the only the valid frequency. So this is for the next file. So here this shows the only the valid frequencies. It doesn't show the zero values. This also shows for each file. So this is the frequent words which we find out. So based on these words we are going to find out the similarity between the opinion level and the aspect level. So the next process. So next process is here again we have to select the dataset. So here we have to select the Twitter dataset. So this is the dataset name and the size. So I'm viewing the dataset. So this is the tweets dataset. So now we have to save this dataset. So the dataset was loaded successfully. So view the dataset. So the the CSV format dataset was converted and stored in the database and viewed in the table. So this is the dataset. So next we are going to view the word bank. So this is the word list which we collected last, which has the frequency levels. So from based on these words we are going to find out the related opinions. So this is the opinions. So here it it shows the result based on the selected words. So there's you can see the changes. So for each particular word it will show the result. So that's what we are finding the similarity between the aspect level and the opinion level for the process complementary aspect based opinion mining. Thank you.